Oil prices continued to slide today, pushed lower by a Department of Energy report that U.S. crude inventories rose by 5 million barrels last week, and that was way above forecasts. Domestic West Texas crude fell another $1.54 a barrel. It finished at 87.31. That's a fresh two-year low. How low can those oil prices go, and how long before oil producers really feel the impact? Jackie DeAngelis has more.
Oil prices have gotten crushed. Good news for consumers because retail gas prices are dropping, but bad news for global producers who are reaching critical break-even points. Now, suppliers around the world forced to decide, are these price fluctuations temporary, or is it time to cut supply? Some are saying not so fast, at least in the Canadian oil sands. A representative for Cenovus says there's no need to panic.
If you look at the overall world supply cost, and right now there's reports that it's in the $70 range. You know, we are in the high 30s to low $40 supply cost range for Cenovus in our two main oil sand facility areas. So we have a lot of value to still generate. We have a lot of running room.
Still, according to some reports, the price to produce out of the Canadian oil sands is $89 to $96 a barrel. Here in the U.S., $70 to $77. So with WTI well under 90 now, some producers are already starting to feel the pinch. And traders saying that there's more pain to come. West Texas Intermediate could fall to $85 in the next couple of days. If that level is breached, the slide could continue. But suppliers aren't making any moves just yet. In Canada, the expectation is that output will continue to ramp, but with the realization that recent growth will begin to trail off.
There is a point where that's actually going to level off when we've reached whatever our maximum daily output could be in economic circumstances, taking into consideration all of the factors of responsible development.
What to watch for? Well, OPEC is meeting next month. The cartel might make a move. Also here in the U.S., we've been talking about oil exports. Perhaps the conversation heats up. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.